Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Sanurihim ayatina fil afaqi wa fi anfusihim hatta yatabayyana law annahu al-haq. Awalam yakfi bi rabbika annahu ala kulli shay'in shaheed. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My respected elders and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. It's a pleasure for me to be back in Qatar, alhamdulillah, after 4 years. And it's an honor for me to give a talk in this Qatara village. And the topic of this evening's talk of mine is, does God exist? This talk of mine is mainly meant for 3 categories of people. Number 1, those that do not believe in the existence of God. Those people who are atheists. The second category is those people who are agnostic. They do not comment whether God exists or does not exist. And the third category of people, those who believe in the existence of God, but they cannot convince somebody else that God exists. Whenever I meet an atheist who does not believe in the existence of God, the first thing I do is I congratulate him. Many people will wonder that why am I congratulating an atheist? The reason I congratulate an atheist is because most of the Christians, they are Christians because their father is a Christian. Most of the Hindus are Hindus because father is a Hindu. He is a Jew because father is a Jew. Many Muslims are Muslims because father is a Muslim. This atheist, he is thinking. He may be having relatives who believe in God, but he does not agree with the existence of God. He is thinking. That's the reason I congratulate him. I congratulate him because this atheist, he has said the first part of the Islamic creed, Islamic Shahada, La ilaha, there is no God. To this atheist, half my job is done. To the other people who believe in a God which is not the correct concept of God, first I have to prove to him the God he or she is worshipping is a false God. So half my time goes in proving the God that they worship is not a true God. With this atheist, half my job is done. He has already said the first part of the Islamic creed, the first part of the Shahada, that is La ilaha, there is no God. The only thing I have to do is illallah, which I shall do inshallah.